Here's a quick way to size up a rental deal in under a minute. It's called the rent-to-value ratio, also known as RTV, sometimes called RTP. Is this rental worth the price? RTV is your first filter. Take the monthly rent, divide by the purchase price. That gives you a comparable number. Example, $2,000 monthly rent. Price, $300,000. 2,000 divided by 300,000 equals 0.067. That's 0.67% per month. Multiply by 12, roughly 8% annually. RTV gives a quick signal of potential cash flow. The 1% rule. Monthly rent around 1% of price may support expenses, debt, and still leave profit. It's a rule of thumb, not a promise. RTV is not cap rate. Cap rate uses net operating income after expenses. RTV uses gross rent. RTV ignores taxes, insurance, vacancies, repairs, property management, interest rates, benchmarks. 0.8% to 1% monthly can indicate stronger cash flow markets. 0.5% to 0.7% is common in higher cost areas. Above 1% is rare and may signal higher risk or trade-offs. Step 1. Pull the rent from leases, comps, or manager. Be conservative. Step 2. Divide by all-in price. Purchase plus closing and initial repairs. Step 3. Compare to your target. Below 0.7%, I pass fast. If it's close, I dig deeper. Step 4. If it clears, run the full numbers. Taxes, insurance, HOA, maintenance, vacancy, management, interest rate, CapEx reserve. Rapid example, $1,500 rent on $250,000 equals 0.6% monthly. Likely thin cash flow unless expenses are unusually low. Rapid example, $2,200 rent on $220,000 equals 1.0% monthly. Worth a deeper look, verify condition and location risks. Pro tip. Use RTV to compare markets side by side. Recalculate after interest rate changes. Debt can flip a yes to a no. Track RTV in a simple spreadsheet or notes app when browsing listings. Bottom line, RTV/RTP is your fast first filter. It won't replace full due diligence, but it will save you time. Hit that save button, run the math on your next property, and see what the ratio tells you.